LabelDirect includes a dedicated allergen font, making it easy for businesses to comply with national food labeling regulations. There are two methods of applying this font to your label. You can either manually alter your ingredients to include allergens in uppercase, or you can apply the allergen font automatically. Let's look at each method in turn. To manually apply the allergen font, first, select the element you wish to apply the font to, then select the LabelDirect ingredient font from the Properties panel. Now, you'll need to edit the text field so that each allergen is in uppercase. Simply use the text editor to convert each allergen in turn. Remember, it is very important to ensure that all allergens have been identified, so please double-check each label before saving. If using a database to populate your labels at print time, then you will need to ensure that all the records in your database have allergens in uppercase. Here we have an Excel spreadsheet with an ingredients field. Edit the database, converting all allergens to uppercase. Remember, it is your responsibility to ensure that all allergens are correctly identified, and that the printed labels adhere to your national food labeling regulations. It is good practice to check your labels on the print screen, to make sure all allergens are emboldened. LabelDirect's automatic allergen font uses an allergen list to search for allergens in your ingredients field, and emboldens them. There is no need to type allergens in uppercase. To use the automatic facility, click on your ingredients field, then go to Formatting on the right-hand side. Select Coercion and then Bold Allergens. You will be presented with a message informing you of the importance of identifying the correct allergens and ensuring printout is in full compliance with national regulations. Click Yes to apply the automatic allergen font. The allergens in the ingredients field have been emboldened. Remember, it is very important to ensure that all allergens have been identified, so please double-check each label before saving. If using a database to populate your labels at print time, with the automatic allergen facility, there is no need to change your ingredients to uppercase. However, please make sure that all allergens are correctly identified, and that the printed labels adhere to your national food labeling regulations. It is good practice to check your labels on the print screen, to make sure all allergens are emboldened. The allergen list that is used to automatically highlight allergens on your labels can be accessed by selecting the field to which allergen highlighting has been applied, clicking on Formatting on the right-hand side, and selecting Manage Allergens. The installed list has been created with UK allergen regulations as its basis. You should only edit this list if action is required to bring it into line with your national regulations.